to Nana. Go. Go, 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 go. Oh, clever, good. Already? Go. Kick, 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 splash, 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 kick, 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 kick. Splash, 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 splash.
Wow, Ivy, way to go.
Oh, again? Okay, let's go. This time jump. Jump from there. Ready? Jump to Nana. 1, 2, 3, jump. Again? Okay, go. Look at her. She's ready to swim. Look at her. She's ready. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. There she goes. Oh, look at Alexa. Look, she's swimming all alone. Today is 8th of June, 2016.
Yeah, way to go, Ivy. Way to go, Alexa.
Come.
That's
come.
great.
Come, Ivory, come. Ready, come. Come. 1, 2, 3, jump.
You got it, Lexi.
Ah! Clever girl. Clever girl.
It's about to rain?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
She wants to swim. No, don't push her down.
Way to go, little girlies. And way to go, Nana.